Today we're featuring a 2013 Dodge Ram 2500. It's the heavy duty. This particular truck has a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel in it. It's got Firestone tires on it. This truck is actually a long bed crew cab. Black in color, as you can see. It's got the 6-speed automatic transmission in it. Chrome bumper. It's got your 4-pin, also your 7-pin right under that built in. This vehicle has a backup camera, spray and bed liner from the factory. It's got gray cloth seats in it. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got a bench seat that flips up so you can haul 6 passengers in this very comfortably. This is a 4-wheel drive unit on the floor. Cup holders, storage in between your center console, your radio. Under that you got your climate control gauges. Under that over here you have your brake control built in, traction control, tow haul, your exhaust brake, and your tire light load inflation button. For the steering wheel, these 4 buttons right here on the left hand side of your steering wheel will operate your instrument cluster, tell you how the vehicle is running, how hot certain components are running, also tell you your direction, which you're heading, miles per gallon, how many miles till empty. On the right hand side of the steering wheel, these 4 buttons here will operate your cruise control. You have your on and off, your cancel, your resume, and your set. There's your dash with your miles per gallon and your RPMs. Very spacious back seat, as you can see there, with storage under the back seat. Again, this is a 2013 Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty. It's got the Cummins turbo diesel motor in it with the 6-speed automatic transmission. It's a long bed, black in color. 4-wheel drive. This vehicle is located at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Piqua, Ohio. For more questions, you can contact us by phone at 937-778-0830, or you can find us on the web at sherrychrysler.com.